Today we are going to check out a teeny tiny Python concept. Let's jump right to it. Every time I show this Flask example to my bootcamp students, I get this common question: what is this name equal to main mean? And to explain this in a different form, I'm going to first show you by running this application. So when you run this, there is a app.run which runs a Flask developmental server. To understand this concept better, what you have to know is this name equal to main has nothing to do with Flask itself, but it's a Python construct. So let's get rid of the Flask altogether and focus just on understanding the name. So to do that, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to print something, which is in app.py. This print statement is in app.py, and what we are trying to print is what is the variable of name. So underscore name. And what we are also going to do is we're also going to have a snippet which runs inside the main block. I will run in main block. So you can call this main block or name equal to main block, right? Now I will run this app.py and see what happens. Now inside app.py there is underscore name, which is currently named as underscore main, and this block also runs. Now if you have an other snippet which is like this, where you import this other module, app module, and we are inside this we are also printing name and see what is happening there. Now let's run this example.py, not app.py. So when you're running example.py, what happens is inside your app.py it is going to name the module as app itself, but whereas in example.py the name is underscore main. So what you're trying to get here is the module that we are currently running is named underscore main by Python, right? If you're running app.py, that is going to be main, and every time you have this check, it is going to be true and you're going to get this block printed. So let's go a step ahead and see what is this value. Let's print this and see what this value is. Now, yes, you can see when you run app.py, this value results to true, but when we do example.py, this value results to false. So that is what we are getting at. Can you rename this name? Of course you can. Nothing in Python stops you from doing this. App new, and what happens is even when you run app.py directly, this is going to result to false, so this block is not going to execute. So it's a good idea not to do rename underscore name, but you can. So that's a teeny tiny Python concept of underscore name equal to main. Next time you see this snippet of code, you don't have to get scared away or run away. I hope you enjoyed that. See ya.